Hi, yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded videos, so I just wanted to say hi. And our term 2 classes are starting this Saturday. I also wanted to explain why we start before the school's term starts. Well, our very first class was a Monday class. And one of the reasons we had, and it was like the only class we had. So why did we make it a Monday class? Well, so we wanted to be sort of the first class in the week, and like since it's the most important thing for us to meet and learn maths, we want it to happen as early as possible. So it's kind of like it's like the first thing we think about when we wake up and the last thing we think about when we go to sleep. Another reason we made it Monday. I mean, currently it's Sunday, so it's even earlier, or like possibly Saturday. But another point with Monday was, I was kind of sick of all the sort of school development days and public holidays interfering with all the Mondays. So, for example, you could have you could have the first Monday of the term gone because of the school development day, and then another Monday gone because it's a long weekend. So you lose um just like 2 Mondays out of 10 or maybe even 9 possible Mondays. And we were determined to make it on Monday and not stop during public holidays and school development days. So this is the nature of a commitment, and we want to teach this by example. So we haven't missed a class or canceled a class since the start of our school, more than 6 years ago now, 7 years. So um, never missed a class, and for the holidays, I mean, the holidays, people may think it's a time to take a break. Sure, it is a time to take a break sometimes, but what it really is a time to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so maybe you were forced to do school, and in the holidays, you don't want to do school anymore, so you don't do it. Okay, but it could also just be as well that you enjoy school and you want to do school, so you choose to do school during the holidays. Okay, um, and so that in particular applies to our school because um, our students love maths and prioritize maths, so it makes sense for them to choose to do maths when they have free time to choose to do whatever they want. Okay. Um. So yeah. So it's not that I don't have any content. I've actually uploaded a ton of videos. They're all just unlisted. So if you give me some ideas and suggestions, I might be able to choose maybe some good ones to make public. Um. Yeah. I might also just kind of upload more videos and just kind of maybe create a little bit of a dialogue so I know what people are interested in. But again, it's like a word of warning, so um, I don't want to cater too much to people's pure interest because it still has to be educational. But obviously, um, there needs to be a balance to make it make it more practical. Okay, all right, guys. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you next time.